All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm gonna be ripping this little DEERC. This is their 209E. It is their 110 scale. It is 4-wheel drive and it has a 3S battery in it. This thing should rip, I hope. So we're gonna see how this goes in this video. And toward the end of the video, I will show you everything that did come in the box, how I put the battery in. Oh, and I will talk to you a little more about the controller. This is definitely one of my favorite size cars. These 110 scale are awesome. So let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. She's ripping. Breaker. I don't know. Right in the mud. Rex. This thing rips though. It is fast. I like it. Good one. Whoa. Woo! That was nice. That was perfect. How'd you do it? I don't know, he says. Oh, that was awesome. Ew. This thing rips. This might be one of my favorites. Whoa, watch your rock. I should have brought my GPS thing to see how fast it was. Maybe I'll do one at home. Nice jump. It's getting better all of a sudden. That was a nice one too, smooth. Uh-oh. That was not smooth. Yeah, like you smacked into a rock. That was nice. Since it's a 110 scale, it rips in the grass better. Nice. And he rolls it. It's pretty tough. It's got some metal in it. And that plastic is not so bad because it actually gives. It's got some extra parts anyway, so if you do break it. There you go. See, did you stop and like... Go ripping down through there or something. Rolled it again. It don't slide as much. Still rips. Woo! I don't know. Nice! Woo! That was awesome. Oh, this thing is great. I like it. Oh, you tried to do a flip and he lands upside down. They got this one geared really good to rip. Nice. You can, and you can actually turn that controller down and make this thing go real slow if you want, in case your kids are never rode one. Is that as slow as it goes? Yeah. See? And that's full throttle right there. So you can get used to it. This thing is awesome. I like it. We should bring the other one out and ram them together. That one purple one I got's pretty decent too. All right, turn her back up. Let's do.
I think the jump from here is kind of good. It like goes over everything.
Yeah, just try to land her. At least you're on the wheels. Yeah, it's not really messing it up. Boy, you can easily rip out there though, because it slides so nice. Try to come by me turning. Full speed, he's ripping. Woo! Freaking dirt flying off. Yeah, I think so. Try to come by me one more time. Not too close. Right there. Yeah, that was really close. Not so close. I can't turn quick enough. Yeah. All right, one more. See, that one's where I feel like the professional guys could smooth that right out and land it. No. Oh my gosh. Yeah, don't break.
I think we're good.
Like hit the throttle once. Okay, if you hit the throttle, it goes like this.
So
if you let off the throttle,
in my back flip?
Maybe. So, all right, that's it for this video. I'd have to say I've drove like 12, 15 of these DEERC RC cars. This right here I think is definitely one of my favorites. Now, I didn't even run it much today, but my boy ran it a lot. I love this 110 size. So if you want to check one of these out, I will have one of these down in my description and in my first comment. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless. Stay awesome. All right, this is everything that comes in the box with this DEERC 209E. This is a brushless four-wheel drive. This RC comes with oil-filled shocks. It is ready to run. You don't have to get anything, but the only thing you do have to get, they don't give you 3 AA batteries. So you'll need 3 AA batteries for in the remote control. If you've never run an RC car before, this is how you're going to steer it. This little trigger here, this is going to go forward. This will go backward. On the top of the controller, you can adjust the speed on the left. Yeah, on the left one here, if you turn it all the way clockwise to the right, it's going to go real fast. You turn it counterclockwise all the way to the left, it'll go really slow. Or you can put it somewhere in the middle, whatever you want. And then this adjusts your steering. Comes with 2 3S batteries. And then this is the charger right here for the batteries. This plug right here is what's going to get plugged into the charger. The little red plug, that plug will get plugged into the car. Comes with a couple little extra little bolts and nuts and clips, like these little clips up top here, which you shouldn't lose them on this one though, because they're hooked onto the body, so that's cool. Comes with a little wrench, screwdriver, and a couple little extra arms for the front here. I'll show you they're right on the front tires here. You can pick that up. Yeah, these front arms, in case you would actually snap one off, because this car is pretty fast. This one goes here, and this one will go there. Got a couple pieces of metal here on the bottom to help strengthen it up, and then the rest is like plastic, but that's, a lot of these are plastic. That plastic kind of helps give. And you'll have these little arms that will go right here. You got the motor, couple couple different servos in there. This is the on-off switch right here, this little red button. And the battery will go in here like that, like this. There we go. That battery is definitely secure. Okay, there we go. Put this on, put the clips in. There we go. This is really nice. This is a 110 scale too. I like it. I like these 110 scales.